In Tibet, one of the most sacred institutions stands the Panchen Lama, the second highest spiritual authority in Tibetan Buddhism. The 10th Panchen Lama's death in January 1989 gave rise to an unprecedented situation. This was the first time since the Chinese occupation of Tibet that the search for a reincarnation of one of the most important religious institutions, the Panchen Lama, would take place. On May 14, 1995, His Holiness the Dalai Lama announced a decision that would echo across the world. A 6-year-old boy was recognized as the 11th incarnation of the Panchen Lama and officially bestowed the name Jetsun Tenzin Gedhun Yeshi Trinley Phuntsok Sangpo, also known as Gedhun Choekyi Nyima. The Chinese government was completely blindsided by this selection. In response, they arrested Chatel Rinpoche, a key figure in the recognition process. On May 17th, just days after the announcement, Gedhun Choekyi Nyima was taken into Chinese custody along with his entire family, making the 6-year-old the youngest political prisoner in the world. Months later, another announcement came. On November 11th, 1995, the Chinese government declared a different child as the Panchen Lama, Gyaltsen Norbu, the son of Communist Party members. Since that day, the world has asked one question: where is Gedhun Choekyi Nyima? Chinese authorities have stated that he is living a normal life, but no independent confirmation has ever been allowed. Decades have passed. The child would now be a grown man. In a land where reincarnation connects past and future, one life remains hidden. A story unfinished, a question unanswered. In year 2025 alone, numerous parliamentary friends of Tibet from around the world have issued statements calling for the immediate release of the 11th Panchen Lama and expressing solidarity.